Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, a quick update about Accenture that they are sending email. I think you might have received email like this: vaccination against COVID. So this, email says that you have to get vaccinated before joining Accenture. I mean the onboarding. So let's discuss like in details what this email says. So basically, people who are pending with their onboarding, they will be onboarding before this. They actually sent email regarding the onboarding will happen soon phase wise. So yes, the people whose onboarding is pending, they are receiving such emails wherein they told that we have to get vaccinated. There is a PDF. You can just download the PDF after login to the portal, and then you can check out what the PDF says. So the email says that we have to get the all employees should get vaccinated and should ensure to take the first dose of the vaccination before onboarding. Okay, first point, and to be prepared to take second dose within 90 days of onboarding date. So after the onboarding, within 90 days of onboarding, you have to get second dose as well. So guys, start getting yourself vaccinated just in case you haven't taken the first dose also. So just started. Also guys, there is a possibility that they are starting work from office soon. I mean, they might resume work from office due to the changing in the situation. So yes, obviously we have to get ourselves vaccinated for joining and onboarding. So yes, this was a short and quick update I wanted to share. I mean, people are getting, just in case you haven't received an email, but still take the action, take the vaccinations. So yes, any further updates I receive and I get to know, I'll just share with you so that you get to know the updates of onboarding. I know a lot of people are still waiting for the onboarding and the joining letters and the joining dates. In case I get any updates, I'll let you know. In case you get any updates, just comment me on the comment section. In and also subscribe to the channel for the latest updates and share with your friends, guys. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe.